Is your 2019 to 2020 Infiniti QX60 key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the likely culprit. This video will guide you through a simple DIY battery replacement, saving you time and money. The QX60 key fob uses a standard CR2032 battery. This video will cover the needed tools and the step-by-step process to replace the battery. Typically, the battery lasts 1 to 2 years, though colder climates can shorten its lifespan. No software resets are needed after replacement. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a new CR2032 battery. First, locate the seam on the side of the fob. Gently pry it open to separate the two halves. Remove the old battery, noting the polarity with positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the correct orientation. Snap the fob halves back together. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to ensure the LED lights up and the vehicle responds. Dispose of the old battery responsibly. If it doesn't work, the circuit board may be the problem. Replacement is generally a beginner-level DIY, with most users finding success in a matter of minutes.